before starting the sterilization, if any blood stains are there, we should spray the hydrogen peroxide to clean it. After that, we clean with surf or detergent to remove the stains and cleaning the surface. After that, wash it with water. After cleaning the instrument, place all the instrument together, and for scalar tips, this is the sterilizer instrument to hold the bars and scalar tips. Keep all scalar tips and bars in this bar holder. Just press this one, then it will open. If you release, it will close. This is green cloth. We are folding the kidney tray in the green cloth and covering it. And this is the drum. We are placing the instruments and this bar holder in this, and we are closing the mouth. Give it open. This is the autoclave. It is in the shape of a cooker. This is the heating coil which heat the water. These are pressure valves to relieve the pressure after the instrument are autoclaved and relieve the water from here. Before starting the autoclave process, you should tighten this valve. This is the timer. You should rotate up to the desired time, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 60 minutes. For me, 30 minutes is enough. And the autoclave, the temperature will go up to 121 degrees Celsius. Level should be up to here. It should be completely water should touch here, and this is the stand we should place in this, and the power should be off, plug should be removed before pouring the water and enter the process. And this drum we are placing inside it, and we are closing it. This is the lid we are placing above it, and it should be interlocked. It should match this one. Point will be there, and should rotate it, lock it, and see here the wall should be tight, and place the plug in the socket and on the autoclave. And this is the timer we are keeping for 30 minutes. The red button is visible, bulb, it is on. We should wait for 30 minutes to complete the autoclave. Now the pressure is 0 degree. It will go after heating the water inside it. You should not rotate anti-clockwise, the springs will be damaged and it will lead to failure of the autoclave. If you go for 40 minutes also, you should leave it like that. You can see the temperature now, it has been raised. Pressure in the autoclave has been raised. Now the time is around 10 minutes left. You can see that pressure is coming from these valves. Now you can see the temperature has been raised up. Still the sterilization is going on. If you raise this, see the pressure. Now the pressure has been fully filled inside, very high. Now you can see the valve, the pressure is coming out. Now the sterilization is still going on. Now here the bell tell that the autoclave sterilization has been completed. The lights goes off. You should not open the autoclave now. Now you should wait at least half an hour, or for emergency you can loosen the valves to relieve the pressure in this. Never open a autoclave without relieving the pressure from it. You can see the pressure is coming out from this. The temperature will fall. The pressure in the autoclave, after relieving the pressure, it goes down. You can see here. Switch off the power of the switch. and remove the plug. Keep aside. Here there is riser leg open. There is no pressure in it. Now we are removing the lid. Rotate. Face should not be placed above that. Keep aside. Lid. Remove the inside container with the help of a cloth and keep aside. Now it is very hot. You can open the buttons. And open it. It is very hot. Wait for some time, 5 to 10 minutes to cool down it. After sterilization, we are removing the kidney bed, placing the instrument in neat clean tissue paper or cloth. This is the sterilization reel for packing we are using. At desired dimensions we are cutting it. Here we are sealing the autoclave sheet on one side, and now we are inserting the instrument from opposite end. Now we are sealing the second side. Sound will arrive and now it is stopped, so the packet is sealed. Now we are keeping it in UV sterilizer. This is the UV sterilizer. We are inserting in it and closing the lid. Now the sterilization process has been completed. Whenever we need, we use that.